Do you want to know how to change your recording device in Audacity? So if you have a new mic, or if you have just inserted a new mic but don't know how to set it up for audio recording in Audacity, I got you. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application right here. So it should look something like this. And once you've done that, you can just simply import your file if you want to in order to preview, or you can just simply record it later on. So what you can do is, on the top left side right here, you should be seeing your audio setup button. This is the last audio setup button. Just simply select its drop down box, and here you should be seeing recording device. That should be right below playback device. So if you have inserted any mics or any other input devices to your computer, it should show an options with it right here. So you can just simply select the one that you want and you should be good to go. So if there are any changes not showing, you can just simply restart your application itself and it should show. And once you're done, just simply select record and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.